Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync contacts, meaning that you will be able to allow Discord to connect you with your friends. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then you should click on this smiley or emoji icon down below on the right side corner. Then click on privacy and safety. After that you should scroll down to the message requests, to the find your friends section, and here you can find the sync contacts option. So Discord can connect you with your friends and help them find you. Your contacts will be regularly sent to us. So if you want to turn this feature on, click on this button on the right side. Here you can enable this allow contacts to add me feature as well. Tap on get started, and after that you should type in your phone number and then you will be able to sync your contacts. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.